Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in today's video, we got this bad boy. I know, it's an oldie, but let's see what it has. We'll unbox it and I'll tell you what I think about it. Let's go. It does come in this plastic box. It's not like a cardboard box that you would see on an iPhone or box or an AirPods or even something like an iPad. It's just a plastic box with nothing much to it. You see the iPod right there. So yeah, let's go and unbox this thing. Alright, I haven't unboxed these in ages. Last iPod I unboxed was an iPod Nano. Yeah, really long time ago, really small. So let's unbox another iPod. Yeah, this is really old by the way, and it's the 7th gen. I don't know if they're gonna make an 8th one, but let's go see. Let's take this off. Oh, does it have the same sound as the iPhones? Oh, and it just pops off like that. So let's just slide it open like that. Nice. And this lid bit can just obviously come off. Yeah, you just have the iPod there. It's just standing in this little bracket or whatever you want to call this, and you can just pop it out. Oh, alright, it comes out with the bracket. So let's just put that to the side and see what we have in the box in the first place. If you take this out, oh wow, you have Apple stickers. That's nice. Okay, I wasn't expecting Apple stickers. That's a really cool touch. Oh, and then you get wired earphones and a charger, but no brick. Let me just take this out. This does look, for some reason, like a different texture compared to something like when you get the earphones in an iPhone. It's like if you can see this, it's like a cardboard, which is really rough, and it's a different color compared to the back. Wow, okay, it's a bit different. And let's go to the phone now. Not the phone. I keep calling it the phone. I don't know. It's an iPod. You know how to take it off this bracket, actually. I don't want to break anything. It's pretty easy. Just pop it out like that and then just comes off. Let's see the sticker coming off. Oh. So here we go. This is aluminium back with the antenna and then your 8 megapixel with the microphone and a flash. Apple logo, iPod. That's not something we see like on an iPhone, doesn't say iPhone. And then we got a headphone jack, your lightning connector and speakers, your front earpiece, your home button. I think this is the only product that in 2020 has a home button. And then on the top you got your on and off button and nothing on this side, and then your volume rockers. I have the space grey version because it's the only one which has a black front, which is kind of weird. And then you have your front camera too. Let's see if this has any power. Alright, let's turn this thing on. It's really small in your hand. Off the bat you can see that it is not an OLED display. It is obviously an LCD. As you can see the black, you can see that it ends. Okay guys, so I've set it all up. It was a pretty easy and quick process. So I'm just going to press get started and hopefully it takes me to the home page. And it does. Okay. Wow, that is a tiny display. I feel like I've gone way back in time right now. This is crazy. So small compared to something like an iPhone, which I've got right here. This is an iPhone 11 on the back. Wow, this is small. And the camera lens is so small. Wow. It's not even one of the lenses on the iPhone. That's crazy. Setup process was pretty quick. You can just put it next to your iPhone or iPad or anything and it transfers all the data wirelessly. It's really amazing. So you really didn't have to do anything. I just want to test out the camera. And yeah, that's it. Let's just see how this camera is. Okay. So, can we focus? Right, oh, let's put this camera on focus. I've got two cameras here. Alright. The camera is, maybe is it because, let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. my gosh. Okay. About the camera. This camera is terrible. This camera over here is... no, it's not something you would want to take photos with. Just like an emergency thing. You need a quick shot of something, maybe then, but do not use this as a daily camera. It's not good. It's already heating up, this phone, and I can imagine how quick this thing would bend. Look at that. It's so thin. I'm just going to say my overall thought on this. I would say if you are buying this as something for your kid or your child to play around with, you could get it as like a small toy, I guess, for them, but if you're getting it as your daily thing, it's just not worth it, you know. It starts from $300. That's really expensive. And nowadays, Apple just releasing new products that are cheaper, like the new iPhone SE that just came out the other day for $750. Yes, it is another $400 and something. It's worth it. You can't call anyone on this. Would I buy this? No, but I already have. Otherwise, just get an iPhone, guys. It's much more easier, and this one, they'll probably stop selling these in a few years. Probably stop making them in a few years. So you're just better off going with an iPhone, you know. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, see you next time, guys. Peace.